Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we have another accessory from Bekoywoy. They did send me this for review, so I just want to make that clear, but these are of course my own words. Let me unbox it first of all, and then you can maybe comment below on what you think it is, but I can tell you this is useful. So there it is. It's a small device for helping you line your laser level up. It goes beyond the adjustments you might get on a regular tripod, and I'm going to show you how it works. But before we do, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, and we'll tell you when our next videos are coming out. So why do you need one of these? Let's first of all get a laser level out so we understand. So here's a nice little laser level that I reviewed just previously. If you haven't seen that, there'll be a card here where you can see this video and many others. When using a laser level much like this one, quite often you're looking to line something up across a room, and you might have a marker at one end, and you need to hit another marker at another, and you could be just out a little bit, and you might need to move to the left a little bit, a bit forward, sideways, up, down, in micro adjustments, so you can get that absolutely pin sharp and on target. So let me just screw this laser level here onto the top so you can see how this works. There we go. Now, unlike a tripod, which, let's be fair, you wouldn't be able to get it this low for a start. That's generally a problem with using a laser level like this. You might be using, something, to build up, like a piece of wood or something like that, so you can just, raise the height just a little bit. This one is already quite a low profile. It has these removable feet on the bottom, but you can understand that that's for leveling. And very importantly, what this one does is allows you to micro adjust the movement of this little table, and that's rotation. And then we've got another axis which is in and out, so I can show you that, and it's very minor. It's this is really for precision lining up. And then the final part is being able to raise this up and down. So you can see by using this fairly inexpensive accessory, you get the ability to line up your laser level in 3 different axes at heights lower than a regular tripod. Now, I've not really had a chance to use this device in operation, but I can say that I have been using laser levels like this for some time, and I think if I'd had one of these in my toolbox, that would have saved me a lot of time in trying to line things up, standing laser levels on bricks and all pieces of wood and so on. This is something that's absolutely built for the job. So the main construction of this device is metal. There's I think it's all aluminium actually, or maybe there's some steel as well. So a mixture of aluminium and steel. This top part here is plastic. There is a fairly rudimentary leveling bubble there, which of course is really for convenience. I can't imagine that's high accuracy, but gives you an idea of when you're close to being level. That of course the self-leveling laser level will take up any discrepancies, so that's well within tolerance, I would say. It's fairly smooth in operation, and you're able to make these micro adjustments in 3 different planes to get your laser level online. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. If you'd like to find any of these products on Amazon, there'll be links below. Please, interested in your comments. We're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe.